Hey, so it's really easy to do cross-platform, cross-distro installations, but what if you want to test this in CI? Pixi makes this really easy as well. So what you can do, you can add a simple test YAML like this, where you say there's a matrix over Ubuntu, Windows, and Mac, and you want to do it for the environment Jazzy and the environment Humble to test these two ROS distros. And then the only thing you need is a setup Pixi call, which is an action that will prepare you Pixi itself and the environment that you want to install. And after that, it's as simple as calling a command with Pixi run and letting that command run in a cross-platform fashion. I already pushed this to GitHub, so you have the same setup here. And if we go to a clean installation, you can see that it's really fast. It only takes 3.5 minutes to set up a full environment, but it's mostly because of Windows, because on Ubuntu, for instance, it's just 23 seconds. And you can see that it takes like 17 seconds to do the initial setup of the Pixi environment. But because we don't have a cache here right now, it was a cache miss, we can do it one more time in the next commit, for instance, and you will see that it is a lot faster. So the whole setup only took like 1 minute. And on Ubuntu, it can be as fast as like a 9-minute download of the cache, and you can see that it was a cache hit because the log file was still in sync. And then the test is as simple as just running the command, and you have all the results there. This is as easy as it can be to set up CI, in my opinion, and you can recreate this on every platform. Thank you.